The Cuba Libre. It's easy, simple and zesty. If it was a person, it'd be the quiet friend of Paul the local pub fantasist, who as well as having trials of West Ham, taught Muhammad Ali how to box, taught Albert Einstein physics, gave birth to Jesus, and when he threw his first punch, the Big Bang happened. If you know a bore who likes to drink rum and coke, try to convert them to this drink. I'm doing a bit of an experiment here, making a classical version and then doing an alternative version with some tweaks. Let's start this off by slicing up some limes into small wedges where we're going to muddle them in the glass. Now I'm going to be honest with you, I fucked up a little bit here. I was slightly enthusiastic with the muddling, so I'd suggest you take it a little bit easier than I did. The drink's origin can be traced to the 1900s and the Spanish-American War, where a Cuban captain added a drop of lime to his Bacardi and Coke and toasted "Por Cuba Libre," which translates to "Free Cuba." Make sure you give this a stir. On the alternative version, I'm going to remove the lime wedges because the juice is there and so is the lime oils. Then to both glasses add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of a Spanish style white rum. I'm using Club Havana here. Now on the right in the alternative version, I'm going to add a couple of dashes of Angostura Bitters. This will give the drink a bit of mystery, like your sister's strange boyfriend whose family disappeared in a yachting accident. Give this a stir to make sure the ingredients are incorporated. In the alternative version, I'm going to add some mint leaves and give this a stir. Add some ice. Then top up with original Coca-Cola. Then slice up some lime wheels and with a spoon carefully push them down the glass. I think adding a lime wheel to the outer top of the glass would actually work better here in all honesty. Also make sure you drink it with a straw. Okay, taste wise, I think the alternative one works, but I'll perhaps go a little bit easier on the muddling with the lime, just really lightly muddle it, and I'll perhaps remove the mint and just add a sprig to the top by the straw. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves.